Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here to Veterans Memorial Park on the corner of Maine and Lincoln Street in Lewiston, Maine. Lewiston and Auburn are halfway between Portland and Augusta. Lewiston is the second largest city in Maine. It is home to the largest French-speaking population in the United States by population. Represents about 15% of the population here. Veterans Memorial Park was established in 2002 and it's managed by the Lewiston Auburn Veterans Council. The project began with the donation of 6 flagpoles representing the 5 military branches and POW MIAs, which were installed beside the existing U.S. and Maine state flagpoles. The Price of Freedom Monument marks the entrance into the park. This monument was dedicated in 2004. Today, the park features 27 monuments called name stones. Each one bears 216 names of Maine servicemen and veterans. There are also numerous polished granite benches and memorial stones throughout the park, dedicated to individuals who have served. The USS Maine monument occupies the center of the park. This shell here weighs almost 500 pounds and it's from a 10-inch gun on the battleship. The U.S. Navy presented it to Lewiston in 1912. Other monuments include a jeep, a 5-inch gun, and an anchor. All were used in combat. In 2019, a Vietnam-era A-7 Corsair fighter jet was added. This fighter jet last flew in Panama in 1991 during Operation Just Cause. It was shipped from an airbase in Montana in 2 parts, and then the fuselage and wings were reassembled here in Maine. Veterans Memorial Park is the annual site of Lewiston Auburn's 4th of July Liberty Festival. The park boasts breathtaking views of the Androscoggin River's Great Falls. These falls are just south of Fox Island. Early spring is the best time to see the falls due to snowmelt from upriver. You can even take a kayak from Lewiston to Lisbon Falls. The bridge which connects Main Street in downtown Lewiston to Court Street in downtown Auburn is the Governor James B. Longley Memorial Bridge, named for former Governor Longley, who governed from 1975 to 1979. That's going to wrap up today's Ernie's Journey. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?